All right, continuing on, we're going to look at the type of angle pair that we see, if any, and identify what has been given. So we're going to look at first at angle 4, located right here, and angle 8. And if we're either using our note cards or if we have our note cards memorized, we're looking at they're on different sides of the transversal. And so hopefully we have identified those as alternate interior angles. And so we're also looking at the abbreviations that are acceptable to use for these. So let me clear those off. And now this time we are looking at angles 2 and angle 6. You can see that we have different sides, and one is in and one is out. And so if we look at that, they both are out actually. And so we are looking at alternate exterior angles. The next two, we're looking at angle 8 and angle 3. You can see that they are on different sides of the transversal. One is in the interior, one is in the exterior. And if we go back and look at our specifications for our different types of angles, that fits none of those characteristics. And so those two angles do not have a special type of angle pair. The next set we're looking at is angle 1 and angle 8. And we can see they're both on the interior. And so those are corresponding interior angles. Our next set, if we look at angle 1 and angle 4, we can see that we bring back one of our angle pairs from a previous chapter, that these create a linear pair, that if we add those together, that's going to give us 180 degrees. Next, we're looking at angle 8 right here and angle 2. On the same side, one in the interior, one in the exterior. Those are what we call our corresponding angles. Next, we have angle 7 and angle 5. And we're bringing back something from previous chapters also, that what we have here are our vertical angles. If we look at our next one here, we have angle 7 and angle 4. And when we look at these, they are on different sides. One is in the exterior, one is in the interior. And if we look for our specifications, this does not fit into any category. And so there are no special pair, there's not a special pair there. And then if we look at the last one, we have angle 6 and angle 3. They are on the same side of the transversal. They are both on the exterior, and so therefore these are corresponding exterior angles. And so now we want to make sure that our goal is that we have all of these angles, the names, the locations, and the abbreviations committed to memory.